how to create a mixed border with shrubs and perennials that are almost decorative all year round. Here's an example on a 10-meter long and 2-meter high area without overcrowding. In this example, we already have a climbing rose that will provide height. On this climbing rose, there is a small wall, and you can see variegated ivy that will bring foliage all year round. At the base of this variegated ivy, a clematis that will cling to the bush rose and gradually climb up. A little further down, a bush rose of the superstar variety, an orange type that is notable for being fragrant. What is interesting in a mixed border when you walk around is being able to smell some plants like the rose and observe other plants like the cera, the famous despair of the pasta. Let's continue. With other plants you need movement, you need butterflies, you need insects. The lavender is there to show us that your mixed border is alive. Wormwood with its silver foliage is behind it, and here is a begonia that is ornamental and decorative from January, February and March with its beautiful flowers shaped like hyacinth flowers. Begonias are also very useful because their leaves can be used to make bouquets all year round. Let's continue. Our walk with peach-leaved bellflower, which will be used both for making bouquets and as very decorative elements in the middle of the mixed border. The peach-leaved bellflower has the particularity of self-seeding here and there, so it will help fill in any gaps in this mixed border. In mixed borders, we avoid creating gaps to compensate and to prevent unwanted weeds. And at the bottom of this mixed border, the silver basket. The silver basket is also decorative in the spring with its very silvery flowers, but especially its foliage. At the base of this silver basket, a few more sedum clinging to old stones. Let's continue our walk with a beautiful blue clematis, the Giacomini variety, which is attached to a grid, and don't hesitate when creating a mixed border to add a variety of other elements like pieces of wood, grids, and all sorts of objects that the plants can cling to. You know that when you're in a garden you might sometimes be attacked by insects, especially mosquitoes, sometimes. Here is the lemon balm which you rub, fragrant with lemongrass, and of course it will prevent you from getting bitten by mosquitoes. We continue our walk with a rose bush, an emerging rose bush that grows up to 2 meters, 2.50 meters in height, and is also supported by simple pieces of wood. And let's end our walk at the foot of our mixed border with the decorative white cardoon, appreciated for its flowers, its blue flowers, but also for its silvery foliage.